Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Sololearn Pro for free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Sololearn Pro is a paid subscription, but there are few legitimate ways to access it for free. So number one is free trial method. So what you need to do is head over and open up your Sololearn app or go to the sololearn.com, then there log into your account with the credentials. Now once logged in, what you need to do is tap on the menu on the top right corner of the screen, and then here what you need to do is just simply tap on GoPro option. Now on tapping it, what you need to do is look for the free trial option, then simply tap on it and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully subscribe to the Sololearn for free. But keep in mind, to end the subscription to avoid any charges, you can also use referral program if available. Sometimes Sololearn runs referral program where you can invite friends and earn pro access for free. Check your profile settings or Sololearn's official announcements. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.